¿Qué dices? Hola, León. Hola, mi Tiger. ¿Cómo estás, Tiger? Mucho tiempo. Ah, ayer tú estás conmigo, ¿no? Ayer. Ah, you know how to speak Spanish? I'm so. I'm good, Tiger. How's your How's your day, Tiger? Just 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 got home from my work. I'm so tired and sleepy. Yeah, I'm good. Thanks God. Tonight I don't want to eat my dinner. I'm so tired and sleepy.